Hello guys and welcome to Sneha's blog. So this is the Dubai Outlet Mall and there are great savings to be found on Dubai Outlet Mall. So guys, if you like my content, do like, subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the updates of the new videos. It is a very big mall, so you need to allocate plenty of time if you are going for the full experience. There are a lot of dedicated stores including Burberry, and you will find a lot of stores for sports items. More than 1200 premium international brands are available across 240 stores, all loaded with discounts ranging from 30% to 90%. So guys, if you are in Dubai, you can allocate your time to this beautiful mall as well, as it is a go-to mall, I would say. And they have a good food court as well, and the dresses there were amazing. You can see the party dresses were so beautiful there. So if you are looking for any party dresses, luggage bags, you can surely visit to Dubai Outlet Mall. And this was the playing area for children. It was so beautiful as well. And guys, I tried this. It was amazing. You can try once.